want to make a focus, COVID-19. So for me, there's a whole story behind the picture, but I'm not sure it's visible for other people.
The other direction we're going to go is give you a little bit more information that you mentioned about alone. You mentioned about scare. You mentioned
Yes.
about some uncertainty, but as you're looking forward, the future can be better.
Yes.
How about we're going to have the girl standing in the middle of the street? And I really like this angle of her face. You also can ask your son to do that too, and looking to that direction. So I'm not sure that's just what is maybe, but the body, the head turning that direction, but the body, the front of the body, and actually facing toward the front. And maybe have the skirt. I'm not sure how that would look like. So now it may look like the light can be coming from this angle, right? The light coming from this angle. So you have some shadow over here. So she actually have some catch the shadow on the ground like this. And in that case, you can have a little bigger composition. And looking at the street, and now is one of the things that, and over here, that could be catch the shadow of the street, something like that. And it would give another statement that is she actually alone.
Yeah.
She's on the street, but she's alone. And the outside here can be seeing just the big catch the shadow on the wide street. And maybe at the corner over here, show a little bit about the footer of some building. Right. Now the composition, this is very strong. I never actually imagined that in my lifetime can have this kind of situation. So having the girl over here have the shadow, to catch the shadow, also have the direction back to the girl, and also enforcing the feeling of alone.
Yeah.
And have the shadow have two purposes. One is making the face of the girl pop up a little more, because now it's darker in the background, right? Now,
Yes.
so now your challenge would be, can you maybe you post as this, having your son take photograph of you, maybe having it when it's a sunny day, you standing outside of the door wearing a mask, or maybe a long skirt somehow, and the light coming from this angle, and take a photograph. And then you're going to, at the end, you can replace your face with her face if you want, and maybe your face even better for that purpose. Your body is facing to the front, while your face looking at outside of the picture. Start from this idea and make it into.
Yeah, make it more a story.
You want to make that stronger.